Alright, YouTube, welcome back to the small block Chevrolet 383 built. I have get to exhaust manifold so far. Got exhaust manifold. We got some Sierra Marine exhaust manifold from Summit Racing. And I got some EOs at the local auto parts store for the plumbing, but I am waiting on the risers. The risers supposed to arrive today, but we got bad weather. Doesn't seem like FedEx coming today, so if you want to see this 383 small block Chevy started up and running, just like and subscribe to this channel and you will see more. And we got the Ali EFI running this thing, Ali 4 barrel EFI kit. Gonna be running this. And we also got this adapter plate for my oxygen sensor. Adapter plate for the oxygen sensor, which I'm gonna go right here. I only use this for lifting purposes, so my adapter plate like this right here. Just like that. And the Ali EFI will be fully tuned with the help of the oxygen sensor. So this is everything set up, and the Ali EFI is timing control with the MSD Pro Billet distributor locked out, so the Ali can do the timing. All of this was a strip engine, and I do all plumbing, all the accessory that this engine needs to run. I put them on, so we only get like a strip small block Chevy with no intake manifold, nothing at all. And this is how far I reach with the build, and it's looking good so far. And we just need the riser to start up this. So like and subscribe to the channel, and you will definitely see more of this, And I have this fuse right here for the alternator, but I'm gonna move it from right here. It doesn't look like a good spot. I'll move it, find a spot when I put the riser on, stuff like that. I will put the battery to it, turn it over. I do all the electrical wiring, everything from scratch. There's nothing pre-built, anything like that. Everything done from scratch. Wiring done from scratch. All wiring. And this is how it looks. So like and subscribe to the channel to see more. See this engine started up and ready to go in the little boat over there. Let me show you to the window. You could see it. All the way over there. That's the boat in the snow. And that's the old motor right here. And that's a drive for it. Volvo Penta. Except Cobra drive, and that was a 3-liter that was in there. I used the same bellows that was on that, and it fit up good on this V8 and stuff like that. And I used the same power steering pump, but I only take off the pulley, take off the V-belt pulley, and take out the bracket and put it on this Volvo Penta bracket. I bought on eBay. I get that bracket on eBay. That run the alternator, tensioner, and power steering pump. And I also get this water circulation pump on eBay, you know, that was from a Volvo Penta also. And this idle pulley, get it on eBay, you know, yeah. And I made this little bracket right here that keep the water pump stable so the water pump doesn't flip over while the engine is rotating, you know. I put this little bracket right here for my fuel water separator filter, and I have this my fuel pump right there, you know. Yeah, and I got just a regular cool air filter, free flow. It's not a flame arrestor. I will get a flame arrestor in the future, you know. But I'll just put this on there for now. And we got a Ollie temperature sensor right there. That's gonna give the Ollie the actual temperature of the engine, you know. And I also got a regular temperature switch on the there that will run my regular temperature gauge on the dash. But this screen right here, the Ollie screen, will give me like the actual temperature and everything what the Ollie EFI is doing. It's got a carb hot on it and stuff like that, you know. Yep. So as I said, like and subscribe, and you will definitely see more, and you will see when the riser comes, and we can let you guys know. We're gonna put that on together and fire up this. Okay, all right, like and subscribe.